Hello and welcome back to the Crossroads Calligraphy YouTube channel. Today we'll be making something called a simple book using some leftover studio pages, and it's a simple book that you make with just a few folds and one cut. So for this project you will need a bone folder, ideally a cut mat, also a ruler and an X-Acto knife. So this is an 11 by 14 page of layout bond that I did some calligraphy on, and then this weekend we did a little batik play in our guild meeting. So what you'll want to do first is fold the bottom corners up toward the top corners, match them as best you can and make a nice crease in the middle. So this horizontal fold is going to become the top edges of the pages of the book. So I just flip the page and crease it again. And then I also like to fold it the other way and crease it that way as well, just because it makes the final stages of the book much easier to just have nice creases going both directions. So now I'll flip it and fold the short corners together. So the bottom short edge toward the top short edge. Match up the corners as best as you can. And once again, go ahead and crease it, making a vertical crease on our page. Oh, I got my bone folder out. So now I'll crease on this side, flip it, crease on this side, and then flip the opposite direction and crease the opposite direction as well. Again, using the bone folder. Alright. So now I have my horizontal and vertical creases, so I'm going to flip the page over, and here's the middle vertical crease. I'm going to fold the first short edge and line it up with that vertical crease. Again, lining up the corners as best I can. Go ahead and take your time. Just because it's a quick tutorial doesn't mean you have to be fast. So I'm just going to nicely crease this, and what this is making is now the pages. So go ahead and also fold it the opposite direction and crease that very nicely, again making the last steps of the book easier. And I'll repeat with the other short edge. We're going to again fold these two short corners toward the middle vertical crease, lining up your corners. It's a little trickier when there's more folds in the page, but that's okay. Just do the best you can. And again, go ahead and crease it with your bone folder, fold the opposite way, crease again. So now we have 8 rectangles. And again, the horizontal crease is going to be the top edge. So between the first and third vertical creases is where we're going to make our cut, just along here. So I'll put your cut mat underneath your page and get your ruler to line it up with this horizontal crease. And take your time lining it up. Make sure you have it exactly where you want it. And now go ahead and get your X-Acto knife. Keep your fingers out of the way, and between the first, second, and third vertical creases along the horizontal we'll make a cut. One more pass between the first, second, and third vertical creases. And now just make sure that you put the lid onto your X-Acto knife for safety. So now I'll flip the paper, and you can see I have this space in the middle. So I'm going to fold along the middle vertical crease, and now holding those edges I'm going to pull away from the horizontal crease and then fold it in half to make the book. Using your bone folder along the spine. Okay, to make sure that's nice and creased for you. So now you have these different pages, and if you'd like you could change it, so now this could be the cover if you like, and again bone fold that down really nicely. And so from here you could add collage, you could write something inside, you could sew in additional signatures if you wanted to, cut out text and glue it in. So this is a great way to use, your experimental pages and turn them into something new in the studio. Thanks for watching. We'll see you for the next one.